Welcome back for another IOD molded treats video using Hershey Kisses. This one is super quick. You need your IOD border molds. Make sure they're cleaned and completely dry. If you've ever used resin or anything toxic in these molds, you will want to get a different set for baking. For this next experiment, I'm going to be using these pretzel rods. I want to find the pretzels that are straight. As you can hear in the background, I've preheated my oven. I searched online to figure out what is the temperature that a Hershey Kiss will melt, and it said between 200 and 225. I think it said for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to try it in the oven and see what happens. So I am going to place the kisses in the bottom of the mold. I'm kind of measuring out how far I would like it to go. I think that's going to be plenty of chocolate once I press the pretzel down. Okay. And then let's see, these are all kind of misaligned, but whatever, they'll still work because they fit within that. Oh, and it doesn't matter if they break. Actually, it's better because they then are flattened. Okay, let's try it. Nope, I want to try this one. Okay, I'm going to pop these into the oven. See what happens. It has been about 3 minutes. I'm checking the chocolates by kind of touching it with the popsicle stick. They're not done yet. It's been 5 minutes, so we're gonna see if they're ready. I need to work quickly. I'm going to just smush these down. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Smush, smush. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, took more chocolate than I expected. I'm pushing it down into the crevices. Let's go ahead and get this one started. I can scrape, if anything goes over that edge, I can just scrape it down. Just want to get these into the molds before they start hardening up. It's actually, I think, going to be brilliant. The ends, I think I want to leave organic on this side. This one, of course, will be squared off at that end. Okay, let's take it out of this pan. Okay, I'm gonna scrape. Let's get those pretzels in there. Well, it didn't go as far as I wanted, so I'm just gonna dip the end of that broken off pretzel so it doesn't look odd, and then press this in. Same here, break it off. Maybe that's better not to have such big ones anyway, right? Now I'm just kind of smoothing it around, sealing that edge. I don't know. You can drizzle stuff on these, drizzle chocolates, it's whatever you want to do. Yeah, it might have just made it messy, but whatever. Okay, tapping. I'm going to tap lightly from the bottom. Be kind to the chocolate. All right, I'm going to put it in the freezer. We'll see what happens. These are out of the freezer and they just want to pop out. Interesting how the bubbles landed in the centers of the flowers. Be sure to check out my YouTube playlist for more videos in this series, DIY Molded Treats.